Hey guys, today I have a matching Whirlpool washer and electric dryer set. This set's just about a year or two old, still in like new condition, and I've got it hooked up right now, running normal cycle. We're doing light on the soil level, which is where it tells the washer how long it's going to agitate in the wash cycle. It has nothing to do with how much water it's going to use. That is controlled over here, and we're setting it to deep water wash, which is going to be full submersion. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then we have 4 different rinse options, and with softener, both with softener, and these will be without softener. So you get basically a heavy spray rinse on these, and you get a full submersion rinse on these. So right now it's filling up. We have my favorite, the 2-part agitator here, where it's going to spin freely clockwise, not counterclockwise. So you have a bottom part that moves one way, this moves the other way. It does a really good job mixing up and agitating those clothes. And it's just kind of spinning, saturating, and filling up. Now I'm going to come back and show you that it is full submersion. I'm going to show you that it agitates like it's supposed to, and then drains the water out and has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. All stuff you'd check out is if you're standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that everything works perfect, so when you get it home, plug it in, you'll know you'll be good to go. Now typically this would be closed and locked with this little locking mechanism. Well, I just have an extra one of these stuck right there, so it thinks the lid's closed. So that's why I can keep it open and show you everything that's going on here. So we'll let it fill all the way up. We'll come back and move through the cycle with it. Alright, I moved over to the wash cycle, and it's probably done adding water. However, I have known it to continue on adding a little bit more water as it sees fit. But just about full submersion there on this really heavy load of towels. And it's getting started agitating everything down along the bottom. But there, we will move on from here and show you the drain next. Alright, we're moving out of the wash cycle. We'll be moving into the rinse cycle, but you hear that drain running. I put a little towel here because sometimes a lot of water likes to shoot out when it starts up. You hear the water draining out nice and fast. From here it's going to spin to extract the used up water. It'll fill back up with fresh water for the rinse cycle, agitate for a bit, then it'll drain and spin, and we'll be on that final spin cycle. Alright, we're back on the final spin cycle. Spinning super fast once again. I just have this little plug here that allows us to take a look inside. See, spinning super fast, which is great. It's going to do an excellent job max extracting the water out of those clothes. And it sounds great. So we'll go ahead and let this finish up and move the clothes over to the dryer. Alright, now we've got those clothes out of the washer. Move my little extra switch there, so that's done. Got those placed in here. Super capacity plus on both these machines, so as big a load as you're going to be able to wash in the washer, it's going to be able to get done in this dryer no problem. We'll go heavy dry, which is 80 minutes I believe. We're going to set the temperature to high. We push to start. Get a lint trap right here. Want to make sure that that's clean and clear before each and every load. We'll give it just a second to dry, or to get warm up. Then I'm going to show you that it's heating like it's supposed to, right in between those 2 red dots. Takes a surface temperature, so it's about 74 on top of the dryer. And you also have an air fluff setting, 3 heat settings. So 4 total temperature settings. You have a cycle switch here too, which is nice if you don't want it to buzz at you when it's done. Get kids sleeping or something like that during the daytime. So we'll go ahead and open this up. We'll shine this right inside the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube right there, which can get really hot, and then the hot air pumps in, mixes with the clothes, heats the inside of the dryer up, and then shoots out right there, which is where the lint trap is going to catch any additional lint. Then it goes out and back out, backside of your dryer. I don't have the little vent hose hooked up on the back, but when you do in your laundry room, it makes it virtually silent. You just kind of hear those clothes tumbling around a little bit. But as you can see, nice smooth operation, sounds great. And I'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thanks guys, y'all have a great day.